Hi, Kiana with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. Now, today we are going to be creating either a goldfish or a Cheez-it wrapper. Now, the size for our goldfish is the 0.9 ounce. The size for our Cheez-Its is the 1 ounce. So they're very similar in size, which is the reason why you should be able to fit both of these into this party favor. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have Canva up and we're going to click on custom size. Now what our custom size is going to be is the size of a sheet of paper, 11 by 8.5, and we're doing it this way so that way it will be in like landscape mode, so where you have your paper long ways. Once we have our paper up, then we are going to create different boxes to ultimately make the full piece. So we are going to go into our elements. We're going to click on our square here. And what we need to do is first, let's make sure that it is the length. I'm going to go ahead and make 6. Okay, I'm going to make the length 6, and then I'm going to take, this is going to be our center box, so I'm going to take it out 5. All right, so now that we have a 5 by 6, I'm going to center it on our piece of paper. So our 5 by 6, now we need to create our left and our right sides. So we're going to get our square shape again, and I'm going to make this a different color just so they won't all blend together at the end. So I'm going to put it right up next to our center, and I'm just going to bring it up to where they meet, down to where they meet. So that way we know that we have our 6 feet, and then our side is going to be a 2.5, which I believe I was already there. I was close to it. It was a 2.5. So now that we have that left side, we're simply going to duplicate it and put it on our right side. Okay, so now that we have both our left and our right, it seems like I'm a little bit, I may be a little off here. Yes, so now that we have our left and our right and our center, our total size will be 10 by 6. So now we have a full 10 by 6 treat bag for our Cheez-Its or our goldfish. Now we are ready to design. I'm going to create a quick design here. I'm not going to take too long on this. Just to kind of show you guys what you can do. Now, some people like to have a border at the top and the bottom, so that's something that I want to go ahead and create. So I'm going to get another rectangle here, and I'm just going to use any color here. Okay. And then I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to stretch it out so that it fits. And I'm just going to move it down and place it right on top there. Then I'm going to duplicate it and bring it down, and that'll be our bottom. So now we have a top, bottom, our center, and our 2 sides. Now let's go ahead and decorate. So I'm just going to pull up some of the images that I have on here. I've done these before, but this is definitely just to get you guys familiar with how to do this. So I've done this before. Okay, now that we have our design done, we can now save our project. Best thing to do, we're going to go down to share and we are going to download it. Okay, so this is the Cheez-Its or the Goldfish that we will actually be wrapping. I went ahead and cut out our wrapper right here. So the first thing I want to do, now you can use either a tape gun or a hot glue gun to do any of these. There you go. And as you can see that these will also fit in there